This is the Old Guy Network.
Yep.
Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the old guy, the OG. You knew that already. And today we're going to do a quick project. You've probably seen, if you've seen some of the videos I've taken of my shop, you've probably seen a dresser that I have in there. I got that from the trailer flip. It was in the shed. I brought it home and I've decided I'm going to do something with it. And I'm going to show you the whole thing. It's very, very simple. Here it is.
Well, I'm trying to get more and more room in the shed so that I can start other projects, but I'm going to have to start this project a little early. This right here, as I mentioned before, that's the dresser, the bureau that I found in the old shed of the trailer flip. So what I'm going to do today is take the bottom drawers out. Actually, I'm going to take all the drawers out, and we'll get started on disassembling the two bottom drawers, because I have a plan for this. Look at that, more fuel for the fire. Well, as you can see, I have removed the center rail that helped hold the drawer in, which the drawer slid on, both drawers. Removed the center piece that went across here, and now I have an open hole there. So what I need to do is make a couple of brackets that go across here to the back wall, and then I can put a floor in here. And I've got lots and lots of plywood. Most of my plywood, it's all scrap stuff that came from the trailer build. Most of it is 3/4 inch. I'm going to see if I can't find some 1/2 inch, but if we have to use 3/4, we use 3/4. I don't really care. But this is what we have planned. I'll leave the center drawer, the top drawer rather, I'll leave the top drawer on, and I'm going to make 2 doors for the center, maybe 3 doors, I don't know. I'll probably put a centerpiece right in the front and then I can have 2 doors on there. And what'll I make the doors out of? I don't know. I've got all kinds of Luan left over. I've got plywood left over. We even have the faces of the 2 drawers. I don't know if we put them together, maybe we can make a couple of doors out of that. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But what this is going to be is a combination workbench, tool chest, and larger tool storage. So I think this is going to work out quite well. So now we have the drawers out, and well, now I got to take them apart. I could do it the easy way. Well, actually, I am going to do it the easy way. I could do it the gentle way, I should say. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do it the easy way and the fun way. Oh, that worked much better than I thought it would. Well, that was pretty good. Now, if you look over here, and these 2 drawer fronts that I had, I'm not going to be able to use those to make the doors. That's okay, because I do have another plan. Hey, I don't waste material, so I'll cut that up and actually make the little shelf inside. So that should work out quite well. Look at this. See if we can get back here. Yeah, that'll be nice. Now, as you can see, I cut out a piece of Luan. This is a 1/4-inch piece of Luan, and I cut it to 40 inches long by 16 inches deep, and that's going to go right in here. And I made these are 16 inches, these little slats, and I'm going to glue those in, hit them with my finish nailer, and then I'm going to put in the piece of Luan, and then I've got my shelf. So this is what I've ended up with. I've just put a few tools in here for right now. These are things that I actually use quite a bit. So we'll close that up. That is a drawer that I made for something I haven't built yet. This is all the stuff from my soldering station. So I'm going to do something with that. I just laid it on top of there for right now. Over here is where the scale is going to go, and right up there, that's where the readout for the scale. Yep. And I don't have any power in this corner yet, so as soon as I put some power in there, I'll be able to turn that on. Now, the reason I wanted this the most, I can't really see back there. That is just full of tools now. And those are tools that used to be on the floor, and I was kicking them all the time walking by. So, yeah, now I have this. Am I going to put doors on it? No. I don't think so, but I don't know. It depends on how much sawdust travels over there. But I doubt it. I'll just leave it like that. So there's something I didn't really have to build, and it was a very, very quick project. And, you know, those are the kind I like the best.
Just a quick little project to do on a Sunday morning. This is our quickie. This is our Sunday quickie right here. I got to come up with a better name. Anyway, you know, I didn't want to put too much effort into it. I just needed some place to put some tools, and that dresser seemed to work out pretty well. I really don't care what it looks like because it's in my shop. Now it's just a workbench with some tool storage and one drawer to put other little tools or sandpaper, glue, whatever I want to put in there. So it is what it is. I think it came out really, really well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the like button, hit the share button. Remember, I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, so if you could subscribe to the channel, that would be great too. So until next time, I am the OG, and I'm out.